take a look at a couple of these word problems that I like in this section. The merry-go-round problem. Every time a merry-go-round goes around, it will go the length of the circumference of that circle. Circumference is 2 times your radius pi. The radius is 25, so that'll be 2 times 25 pi, which will give us 50 pi. It says in the rest of the problem here that the merry-go-round takes 20 seconds for one spin. You know that distance is equal to rate times time, which means your rate is equal to your distance, which will be that circumference divided by time. So we'll take 50 pi and divide it by 20. And as soon as you type that into your calculator, you end up with 7.8540 feet per second. Now I'd like for you to change that into miles per hour. So we'll take our 50 pi feet, our 20 seconds. I'd rather work with that than the decimal. We'll multiply this by 5,280 feet here, 1 mile. That'll let the feet cancel. 60 seconds up top, 1 minute. That'll let these seconds cancel. And 60 minutes and 1 hour. That'll let these minutes cancel. You'll type that all into your calculator, and you'll end up with 5.3550 miles per hour. I like that problem. Another problem that I like is the sprinkler head problem. You know, where we go, here we have a sprinkler head that's going to have a 50-foot radius, send out a 50-foot spray, and the angle is going to be 135 degrees. So imagine that over to here, and we want to find this area that's going to be sprayed with water. Area of a sector is 1/2 the radius squared theta. The thing is, the theta has to be in radians. So we'll go 1/2 50 square times 135 degrees. But by attaching the conversion pi over 180, we now have that 135 in radians. You'll type that into your calculator, and you'll end up with 2,945.2431 square feet. I like that problem too. Another one I like with the sprinkler head is we want to have a radius of 75 feet, and I'm wanting to know what the angle is this time. So I'll take my formula and create more of an algebra problem. So 5,000 will go here. And I want that theta turned back into degrees. I'm going to take this 2 and cross multiply it over. That'll give me 10,000. You will probably go ahead and square the 75. I'm going to divide the 75 square underneath. And as soon as I do all that division, I get theta is 1.7778 radians. Now I don't want the answer in radians, I want it in degrees, because that's something we will understand. So I'll multiply by my conversion of 180 over pi, and that gives me 101.8592 degrees. Hey, have a nice day. Hug your folks.